Hi, this is Lynn from Kathy Quilts, and today I want to talk to you about optical encoders. Those are the things that make it so that your stitch regulator will work on the Q'nique and Block RockiT quilting machines, also Grace machines. They're all made by the Grace company. I've helped several different people out, either going to their house or helping people over the phone, and I've found that there's a lot of people that either install their encoders incorrectly or they don't tension them correctly. This video is to show you how to adjust your encoders and make sure they work and do all that before you end up spending a couple $100 getting new encoders. Also, what we're doing this for is we want you to know that we want to save you money, and the way we do that is through our community with Kathy Quilts University. So check out in the link where you can go. It's a lot cheaper to spend $30 a month to get help 1 or 2 months that you might need it as you're getting something set up, rather than spending several $100s on parts that you don't need. This is a lower encoder for a Q'nique 21X Elite longarm machine, and it's going to be same on other Grace machines. That tensioner needs to swing up, and you use the wrench to tighten it up. Check that this plug is in properly. Lift the encoder to see if you have the proper tension. If you're getting long stitches, check the tension on your encoder.